These are the COVID-19 statistics for Richmond-upon-Thames. Over the last 7 days, the rate of infection in the borough is 101 cases per 100,000 head of population. This is a lower figure than the previous week and is lower than the London average. This equates to approximately 200 cases identified within the borough over the last 7 days and brings the total number of cases identified since March 2020 to 2,603. Over the last 7 days, there have been no new deaths directly linked to the virus reported in the borough. Therefore, since February 2020, the total number of deaths remains at 155. Over the last 7 days, we have tested 2,789 people and have had a positive return rate on those tests of 8.1%. The discrepancy between the positive return rate and the number of tests conducted and the number of cases identified is explained by people receiving more than one test. At 1 minute past midnight on Wednesday, we will leave lockdown 2 and move into tier 2. There will be some changes from the previous tier 2 arrangements, most notably relating to the hospitality industry. Pubs will only be allowed to serve you alcohol if it is being served with a substantial meal, and the curfew, which was originally 10 o'clock PM, will now be lifted to 11 PM, although pubs will need to place last orders at 10 PM. And the council will start to reopen services from next week, including our libraries and our gym and sporting equipment. You can find full details of the new restrictions on the council website, and we will be issuing further guidance as the days go on. In the meantime, it's important to keep following all of the rules, including washing your hands wherever possible, maintaining a social distance of at least 2 meters, and wearing a face mask or covering when out and about in supermarkets and shops, on public transport, or in similarly enclosed public spaces. And of course, as we move into tier 2, the rule of 6 comes back into play. So please stay healthy and protect yourselves and others.